Hi, my name is Gabby Howery, and this is my plan for my career. I would like to start a career as a counseling psychologist. I was researching and I found a definition of what a counseling psychologist is on the American Psychology Association, and it says that a counseling psychology is a general practice and health service provider in professional psychology. It focuses on people functioning both personally and in their relationships at all ages. Counseling psychology addresses typical life stresses and more severe issues with which people may struggle as individuals and as part of families, groups, and organizations. Counseling psychologists help people with physical, emotional, and mental health issues improve their sense of well-being, alleviate feelings of distress, and resolve crisis. They also provide assessments, diagnosis, and treatments on more severe psychological symptoms. So basically, I'm just kind of what you would picture as counseling, like a counselor. That's what I'm hoping to do. So I'm going to need a master's degree, and I'm excited to continue on with schooling and do that. Here's some of the duties. We're gonna schedule patients for consultations, assess patients, obviously, and identify their problems, engage in discussion with patients, and make them feel comfortable. So that's kind of the counseling aspect. Completing individualized treatment programs, undertaking psychometric testing, evaluating patient responses to treatment over time, organizing long-term counseling plan that involves multiple visits, offering services to all age groups, offering both one-on-one and group counseling, keeping a detailed account of patient mental health history, and being patient and building relationships based on trust. So these are all things that I'm really excited about and really want to do, have a lot of interest in. It's really what I see myself doing when I picture psychologists. I had fun for a little bit thinking about, kind of like um, the behavioral psychologist aspect. I thought that was interesting, but when I really picture myself, like this is what I see myself doing, this is what excites me. So that's what I'm working towards. My 4-year plan, I've already mapped out all my classes on the grad planner for my bachelor's degree here at BYU, Idaho. Um, so I plan on just following with those classes that I've already set up, and I'm almost done. I started my first semester was winter of last year, and I've been doing year round, so I'm actually going to graduate early. So for the rest of my 4-year plan, since I'll have 2 more years here at BYU Idaho, I plan on continuing on. I want to go, not go to, but take classes off of Purdue online grad school. That way I can kind of start working too. It's important. So I plan on continuing with my master's degree on Purdue after I finish and graduate here on BYU Idaho. I'm excited about that. Um, why I chose psychology, I originally was an elementary education major and I took an intro to psychology class for fun and I fell in love with it. I had an amazing teacher. I'm sure you guys have already taken intro to psychology, but if you can ever take a class from Brother Merritt here on campus, I would totally recommend it. He's the best. My family had a lot of like psychological issues that kind of went unresolved for many, many, many years. And I don't know, I just don't want other people to kind of go through that. I want people to kind of learn the tools that they need that can help them in their life. And um, I want to be able to help do that. And I really find myself getting lost in all of the different psychology terms and all of the different parts of the brain and of the mind and of emotions. That's something that I'm really interested in and that I really find myself enjoying. So I really just want to continue with that. My answers haven't really changed from chapter 13. That's pretty much exactly what I said then as well. And yeah, this is me and this is my plan. And thank you for taking time to listen to it. And I can't wait to hear about your guys's.